The 100 Drums Wangala Festival, the grand post-harvest celebration of the Garo community, marked its Golden Jubilee this year with a spectacular edition inaugurated by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma at Wangala Adam Chibragre in West Garo Hills today. The Chief Minister graced the occasion as chief guest, accompanied by union ministers, dignitaries and the MLA from Gambregre, Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, who is also the wife of the Chief Minister. Celebrated as the State Festival of Meghalaya, the Wangala Festival is a thanksgiving ceremony dedicated to Missy Saljong, the great giver, symbolizing gratitude for a bountiful harvest. Revered as the heartbeat of Garo cultural identity, the festival unites more than 300 drummers and 3,000 dancers representing 10 contingents from across the Garo Hills, creating a spectacular showcase of rhythm, color and community spirit. As the festival celebrates its 50th year, the organizing committee has planned an elaborate program featuring indigenous games, folk song contests, oral traditions, traditional sports and food exhibitions. The celebration will culminate with the sacred Rugala and Chachat Soa rituals, which embody the community's reverence for nature and its agrarian roots. The 100 Drums Wangala Festival continues to stand as one of Northeast India's most vibrant cultural showcases, a rhythmic confluence of drums, dance and devotion that echoes the enduring bond between the Garo people and the land they celebrate.
La tungani cheko Meghalaya tourism ni gata daw unangan ko dakinga daw ya ko anting ni 100 Drums Wangala Festival ni committee ni chairman aro secretary daw anting ni Honorable Chief Minister Sir ni Jakoni ko ranginga haijan ma ya dalnya Wangala Festival ko 100 Drums Wangala Festival ko susok agladak sakpa
dalo ya 100 Drums Wangala Festival ko na me cry aro na me sukate at sindalo manina matninga Meghalaya ni aro India ka makoni dengtang biap rangoni ya antsuni jatni ya festivalo bakora na antsuni Wangala shokka parangkoni na antsuni saani rangko na antsuni gift rangko music rangko knana aro antsuni culture ko masina manderang dalo sukpainga unigaman PWD dengtang mancha Wangala organizing committee ni member rang ni request ko angona sukata anga second sabanga chanchija immediately come ka at bo ani anga order ko na ha Sugamak crore kol gruk ni ya rama 20 crores internal rama aro external rama anga kusyong aro PWD department ni officer angko engineer angko anga matelas ka talo bisuni kam ka achi gisik nangi kam ka achi kragatan ya rama ko tarina matnaha bakki kam dongkuinga anga bebera makang belsi jen salwan sing golden jubilee kwan sing manigen unas kang ya rama ko ba PWD department machote ongen aro yana agreba da alo ya golden jubilee program ko sokatna je daksakani ko nanga Angad alo zulmani mukanga parak naska. Je daksakani ko na nga. Yago susukat na anga antangan personally kamrang ko nirokat ken. Anga personally kamrang ko niken. Anga hindi ka ba request ka naska? Ang naya memorandum ko submit ka joke. Memorandum mo dentang requirement rang dunga. Anga Wangala committee ko anga molas kinga. Ya Golden Jubilee de namin nan singsakan sinan special again.
Especially those connected with agriculture are not considered so much as a chore because they are done in groups and people do it joyfully. And mo panaska ja mo bayan sok panaska baklan sini ya sok misalnya an sini na berkepaya kamera and bak